认识你 OK 认识 or 高兴 what's the meaning so 高兴 is happy 认识 means to know to recognize people 很 very so very happy meet you same like English nice to meet you this sentence useful for the first time you meet someone like English is nice to meet you then shake hands 那 Chinese we say this one 高兴 means happy yeah so you say today I'm very happy so this one are you happy this one 高兴认识是 to know people, recognize people. For example, say, I know your husband. I know your Chinese friend. I know your boss. So then, use 认识 Yeah. So like say, 我认识你的丈夫。我认识你的太太。我认识你的朋友。So this is for 认识。How to remember? Easy. Look. How to say people? 人 see 人认识 Yeah, 认识 So 认识 people So 认识 That's not this one That's not for this one Yeah, so 认识高兴是 happy Yes, like say So far we learn time word We learn Monday, Tuesday to Sunday, right? So how to say Sunday? How to say Saturday? Yeah, how to say I'm very happy on Saturday? How to say? Yes. Thank you. Time first. Yeah, so 星期六 time first 星期六 So I'm very happy 我很高兴 No need 是 Okay? Yes. So time first. So then, for example, you say time first. 星期六我很高兴 I'm very happy. Okay, here 是 No 是 Okay, why? So Chinese, this is one grammar. Chinese language, if it's adjective words, so no need 是 because we call stative verb, so no 是 That's why you just say 我很高兴 because happy is adjective, so no need 是 Remember before we learned how to say beautiful? 漂亮 thank you 漂亮 right yes so if you want to someone say oh you are very beautiful how to say yes 你很漂亮 no 是 no
if we use she then it will be wrong
yeah it's wrong so the grammar is wrong because we are studying now so we are studying the standard correct Chinese okay So then you say 你很漂亮 or 你漂亮 no 是 because it's adjective. Remember how to say handsome?
亮晶
handsome 帅 yes yes if you tell the boys or the men say you are very handsome how to say
你很水
yes 你很帅 correct very quickly yes 你很帅 no 是I just want to tell you, no, if adjective word, no 是 okay? Because future we will learn, like today is hot, today is cold, or the pizza is very big, very small. So all these adjective, no 是 okay? Because English say pizza is big, right? So, but Chinese, we don't need is, no need 是. Okay, understand? Yeah, this one. So actually there are two new words. 高兴 happy, another 是 yeah 认识 people is 人 so 认识 this is for people recognize people yeah like say 我认识你的老师我认识你的同学Okay this one
Lashi. So the meaning of hen will be same here. The meaning of hen. Hen means very, right?
很 very 很 means very. Yes. Before we always say 很好. Yes. Yeah.
Very good.
Yes. Thank you. So 很 is very. So 很好很高兴 Yes. Very. 很漂亮 Yes. Okay. This one. Another one. You want to learn birthday. So it's 生日. Now, if you can remember, good. If you cannot remember new words, it's fine because later we still will learn. Just because today your homework you did if you want to learn. So 生日 is a birthday. So today you can learn 生日 because very soon we will learn more time words. For example, January 15th, right? December 24th, how to say in Chinese. Then we can talk about your birthday. So it's 生日.